Yeah, in the rainstorm once?
Yeah.
That was fun.
It was not really fun. We had an umbrella. We had to walk all the way back to our car and get an umbrella.
Pretty cool. Cash. We're almost there. But we still got a little ways to go, right?
Make sure to like in my mind.
What'd you say?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
I can't see your face. Look, you can start seeing some of the mountains over there.
Like and subscribe 4 times because if I get 50 subscribers, I get to do a live.
Yep, live videos.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
And don't forget.
Okay, let's keep hiking.
Hey. Hey, Mom. On the way to you. To ask you a question. Old-fashioned way. Yeah, I'm going for the rest of my life. Say yes, 'cause I need to know. I say you never get the blessing to the day I got when love my friend. And that still means though, why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna. Whoa! That's
We're
so
almost
cool.
there. Keep going.
Where?
Keep going up. We're almost to the top.
Are we super close?
We're close. We're almost there.
Let me look at the smooth one.
Keep going.
This is the part where I need to use my hands, but I'm pretty
We have to get up there to the top.
I'm a skill up expert. Remember when we saw those
Made it to the top.
where are those things? It might be in the little pool.